An object is whirled vertically at constant energy at the end of a 95 centimeter string. If the object's speed at the top of the circle is 4.25 meters per second, find its speed at the bottom of the circle. So since sinasabi dito na is at constant energy, we're going to use the conservation of energy. I-drawing muna natin, gawa muna tayo ng simple figure. For example, here's the circle. And here's the object at the top and object at the bottom. So the object at the top, it has a 4.25 meters per second speed. And dito, hinahanap natin yung sagot doon. First, since nga at constant energy, let's try to find the energy at the top. At the top, we have the potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. Since circle, ang inaano natin dito, and ito nga top, ito yung relative point which is the bottom, h is equal to the diameter or 2r. So we can rewrite this as 2rmg. Yan. And next, we're going to solve for the bottom naman, at the bottom. Since ito nga yung mismong relative point natin, the potential energy is 0. Yan. Now, we have the potential energies ng top and bottom. We're going to use the conservation of energy, and that is the initial energy is equal to the final energy. Or rather, rewrite natin, expand natin, initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. Ayan. And since ito, alam na natin na 0 siya dahil dito, yung final initial, we can rewrite this 1/2 mass times velocity quantity squared sub 1 plus 2rmg is equal to 1/2 times mass velocity sub 2 squared plus 0. Ang hinahanap natin is itong velocity sub 2. So, what we are going to do is, pwede natin i-cancel yung mga mass and i-multiply natin siya sa 2 para ma-cancel yung mga 1/2. And what we are going to end up with is v sub 2 squared is equal to v sub 1 squared plus 4rg. And next is square root natin yan pareho para ma-cancel yung squared. And yan. And ang magiging final formula natin is velocity sub 2, velocity at the bottom is equal to the square root of velocity sub 1 squared plus 4 times radius times gravity. And now, substitute lang natin square root of the velocity sub 1 squared, which is 4.25 meters per second squared, plus 4 yung radius, which is 0.995 centimeters, and the gravity, that is 9.81 meters per second squared. Square root niyan lahat, and we're going to get the answer wherein the velocity at the bottom of the circle is 7.44 meters per second. This is the answer.